Hello everybody, my name is Mitchy and welcome back to Ratchet & Clank A Crack in Time. We need to try and find Alastor Azimuth, and we've just finished talking to this guy, Voulard, I think his name is, that we need to go some way through the factory that these guys have here to be able to get to Volgrim Pass. Oh, whoa. Oh. Trash robots. Oh, down again. Activate. Okay. Whee! Oh, there's a way to go around here. Ow! Holy shit! That actually did a lot of damage. Oh, oh, here we go.
Halt, outsider. What business have you in the Hollow?
I'm looking for Volgrim Pass.
Volgrim Pass, where the exile dwells. It is beyond this Hollow. But we do not grant entrance to outsiders. They must find it for themselves.
A gigantic mining robot head.
Ratchet, come in. One of the fungoids just told me about a race of brutal warriors who apparently hate nefarians. They're called Agorians. I'm heading over there now to talk to them.
Oh, well.
Quark, I don't think that's such a good idea.
Normally I'd agree with you, but the fungoids insist that I leave as soon as possible. They even paid the Agorians to come pick me up. Isn't that nice? I'll keep you posted. Work out.
The Agorians. Yeah, I don't think that the fungoids like you all that much, and that's why they sent you to the Agorians. Oh, grind rail. Here we go. Yep. Yep. Oof. Oh, not gonna give me access, huh? Well, I just made my way here.
Welcome, outsider. I apologize for the ruse, but we like to keep our operation away from the prying eyes of galactic authorities. Come, you have proven yourself worthy.
Worthy.
Pass is on the other side of the Hollow, but you must be aware that there is a dangerous exile there. Of our kind, best stay away from him.
Why? What'd he do?
Oh, you know. Attacked one of Nefarious's transports. Blew up Vorsalon's outpost in Korthos. The usual rebel stuff.
Huh.
Oh, not again. Do me a favor and grab that battery bottle, will ya? Good for nothing, great. Now, it's done, outsider. And welcome to the Hollow. The battery butts are revolting. All systems are offline. Oh, call the home office. Tell them we have a code 11-13. Without power, I'm afraid access to Volgrim Pass is impossible. Looks like you're out of luck, outsider.
Why don't I just fly there in a Aphelion? I guess. Yes, I'm an outsider. You come here. No. Oh, you come here. I need to jump up here and throw it in. Ah, that was simple enough. Oh, invisible crates here.
You did it, outsider. The incinerator is online.
I did. Well, I was trying to land on that platform, but I guess Ratchet didn't want to do that. Do we have one already?
Sorry,
oh, we...
outsider. The conveyor draws power from the other stations, so we're stuck until that feudal eliminates their team's resolve. We warned this
Oh, come here,
I
you.
can figure out a way to fix them myself.
Yep.
What we need is to convert the
Oh, wait, hold on.
like the rest of the galaxy. Hey, what are you doing running around the floor? Hey, it's code 07-13.
Yep.
I'll work my skills until the battery bots are recovered, recharged, and
Okay, hold on. Let's grab this battery board and put it in there.
Come back. I'm online.
Okay. Oh, we don't want to get hit by these. Heal me! I didn't even need to be healed. Phew. Aha! You guys are incapable of doing this yourselves.
You stupid machine. Lousy code 11-13.
Another kit. What weapon is this mod for? Oh, the blaster. Release a lethal burst of ammunition based on how long the trigger is held. Screw it, let's give it a try. And and oh, no one. You don't know who I am. All hail outsider, yes. Also, it's kind of useless to have those grinding, like those buzz saws there. You can't get across to anything of it. I'm just gonna leave. It's none of my business how these guys run their operations.
Look at what we got here. Ain't she a beauty?
The Dynamo of Doom?
All right, Chief. What can we do you for?
Oh, screw it, let's buy it.
The Dynamo of Doom! Now this is a weapon for serious adventurers. Outnumbered by enemies? No problem. Even the score by deploying this remote-controlled orb. Once activated, you can steer it around the battlefield and wipe out the whole lot of them. The Dynamo of Doom. Available only at GrumbleNet.
This weapon...
What can we do you for?
That weapon is partially one of the reasons that this game hasn't been moved up to like PC, because you can control the ball that you shoot with the arrow keys on the left side of the controls. Because I'm fairly certain that this game is PlayStation 3 exclusive, which is why I pulled my PlayStation 3 out of like the shed somewhere to be able to play this game. I remembered that I had it, and I was like, oh, I want to play it, so... Uh-huh. Oh, don't crush me. Uh-huh. Hold on, let's try this again, shall we? An honorary fucking what? Something. And yay! Oh god. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. And hold on, guys. Hold on. There we go. God, as you upgrade that, it stays out for longer and does more damage. It's a really powerful weapon, actually. Constructo pistol. Whoa. All fire. Okay, let's get through. There we go. Yeah. And yeah. Oh. That Just what I wanted. Perfect. Dude, that's pitiful. This is how you do it. There we go. Let's do this. Yeah. Ow. Alrighty. So they're just trash robots trying to stop us, getting in our way. Here we go.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alastor Azimuth?
Oh god.
Lost the element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me. Who sent you? Orsalon? Nefarious? Because they lack the spine to confront me themselves.
Look at me. I'm a Lombax.
The Lombaxes are gone. And I know a hollow guys when I see one.
Can you stop trying to kill me for 2 seconds so we can talk?
Oh, I'm gonna take that as a no. Oh, Azimuth. Starting to annoy you? Oh, God.
You should have trained more before coming for me.
Oh, God. Jump, jump, jump over the side. Oh, shit. Oh, jump. God, he fucking loves these explosives. Oh, come on. Whoa. Oh, shit. Okay, I think we're good.
It almost borders on talent.
Okay, I think we're good.
Now I've got you. It can't be. You're Caden's son.
Forgive me. General Alastor Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they could come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's hover boots. Ready for your first lesson?
Hover boots. Ha 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 ha.
If you're going to stop Nefarious, you're going to have to learn how to outmaneuver him. Now, used properly, these hover boots will give you exactly the edge you need. Now, back straight, legs bent slightly at the knee, and engage.
Aha. Hover boots, man. Yeah. Oh, fuck, there's a wall there. Whee!
If you want to turn, just shift your weight. The boosters will take care of the rest. Ah! I see you found the accelerator.
Uh-huh. Whee! I'm ready.
Looks like you've got the basics down. Now, let's try something a bit more challenging, like this hover boot course.
Alright, we got this, Ratchet. And yeah, grab onto that, launch us there. And X, X, X. Yes. Yeah, this one's pretty easy. You just need to glide fall. Huh.
Well done. You're a faster learner than your father. I have one final test set up over there. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. Follow me.
God, he's got a really angry face. Whee! Whoa, he nearly knocked me
Now
off.
for your final exam. We'll test your speed as well as your skill. You must complete the course and grab every flare along the way in under a minute. If you succeed, I may just let you keep those hover boots.
Well, they are my father's, right? Oh shit, here we go. We got a minute timer. Collect 23 flares. And collect that one. Jump, jump. And yes. Oh, there's a gold bolt in there, but we don't have time for that right now. There we go. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, all there.
That was some of the finest hover booting I've ever seen. Nice work, Ratchet. Ion coils might be a bit rusty. You'll get used to them.
Thanks. So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we gonna talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Terragnos.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank.
Ah. Son of Caden. Zoni. Come on, come here, Zoni. Come here, Zoni. Oh, come on. We got to get this little Zoni. Yep. Yep. Up go, come on. God, these Zonies are fucking quick. Come on. Oh. Where'd that Zoni go? Oh, there he is. No, come here. Whee! In there you go. Is that 4? That's 5. Okay. Now we're going to Axiom City.
Ratchet, come in. I've keyed into your nav unit so we can communicate.
Copy that. So, what's in Axiom City?
A company called Pollux Industries. Nefarious hired them to locate Zoni technology. They keep a database of every obsidian eye in the universe.
Oh yeah, I found one once back on Murdegraw. Too bad the Hulafoids dismantled it.
Pollux won't just let us waltz into the building. We may have to be a little aggressive.
I'm ready. Be there as soon as I can.
Okay, I'm fairly certain that we need to get an upgrade for Aphelium before we do anything, because we need to get a tether to be able to remove the things that are defending the city. So we need to get this little Zoni. Come on. Oh, come on, Zoni. There we go. Oh, enemies are just surrounding us. There we go. That's it for this little thing here. And Aphelion gets an upgrade now, and I'm fairly certain that it's the tether. Whee! Have a boots off. There we go. Yes. Thrustmaster. Hold R2 to engage Afterburn. Wait, so... Wait, what?
Since access to tech security satellites with HoloNet relays. They must be destroyed in order to clear the sector of fighter patrols.
Ah, right. I remember them. Yeah, got no need for that. Let's just... Oh, no. Oh, yeah, we needed the afterburn, because these things push us away. There we go. I thought, oh, there's one in the future that we have to have a tether for to be able to remove the defense mechanisms from where it is. Zoni! What the hell? Zoni just spoke to me.
General, come in.
Oh, that's why.
Axiom City. Where are you?
I'm afraid I've run into a bit of trouble. Had to make
Zoni.
a slight adjustment to our plan.
What kind of adjustment?
Come here, Zoni.
Attention, citizens. Rogue Lombax Alastor Azimuth has been spotted within city limits. Troopers have been mobilized for your protection.
Of course they have.
Don't worry,
Oh,
I have a
Zoni.
plan. Just get to Nurox Plaza and wait for me to make contact.
Come here, Zoni. Oh, god damn it. Come on. I gotta get this Zoni. Zoni! Yes. 7. That's one more towards upgrading Aphelion. And drop. There we go. Okay, this is a little bit weird, actually. And... Oh, fuck, I thought we were dead. Holy shit. Ah, a mod. What mod is it? Ooh, for the Constructo Bomb. Oh, proximity. Yeah, screw it. Why not? That's probably the best, honestly. And this will take us back to the beginning. Here we go. 3 out of 21. Okay, so circle also makes us fire our weapons. Oh, what have we got now? Tesla spikes.
Welcome to the ChromoNet weapon shop.
We're like... We've got a little bit left to go. Ah, clothes. Armor, that's right. Oh, I remember having the Hyperflex armor in, like, fighting in the arena and all that. Okay, so we need to get 10, but I would really like to get the Ectoflux armor. It just gives us a little bit more protection against enemies. And it's always good to have, especially on harder difficulties. Alrighty, but just before we go, I'm gonna have to end the episode there because it's been going decently long. It's a pretty long episode. So yeah, we are now in Axiom City trying to find a way to talk to Clank. And we know that they're in the Great Clock because, well, literally the only reason that we do know is because Lord Vorsalon came here and they're like, the clock is ours. That's the only reason that we know. So yeah, they kind of just put that on themselves by telling us that. But yeah, it is what it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I know that I am. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.